Laundry stripping. No, not that kind of stripping. Laundry stripping is when you use some sort of combination of borax, baking soda, laundry soap, maybe a little bit of vinegar, and hot water to soak your laundry after it's been washed already to hopefully pull out some of the extra grime and dirt that might still be stuck in there. But does it actually work? Sometimes. None of this is anything new, which is why it's kind of surprising that all of a sudden I'm seeing all of these videos about it in my newsfeed as if it's something new. I myself have used any number of these things over the years on my own laundry, but never in the combination that I keep seeing on all of these videos, so I thought I'd give it a try. I started off without having very high hopes of it, so I didn't even film the first thing I did, which was these sneakers. If you've watched my videos for a while, I wear these sneakers a lot, and they've gotten pretty beat up over the years. But I have to say, after soaking them for about 3 days, because I kind of got lazy and forgot about them, they actually came out pretty nice. They look pretty good now, along with my yard shoes, which I just threw in there to see how well it would work. So it actually worked pretty well, so I thought, well, I'll try it on some laundry items. I tried it on a t-shirt of my husband's that had some, deodorant and sort of pit stain kind of stuff in the armpits. I tried it on an old pair of socks that I have washed and bleached and cannot get white again. And I tried it on one of my bras because, under the arms, you get some of that buildup.
Exótica.
Good girl. I let all of that soak overnight for about 12 hours and then ran it through a rinse cycle the next morning. When that was done, it really didn't seem like it had helped a whole heck of a lot. So I ran it through a wash cycle, regular wash cycle, just to see if that would help. All right, so now everything should be dry and we're gonna see how it looks. Let's see. Oh, okay, the shirt actually looks a lot better. A little bit better. You can still see it a little bit, but it's definitely better. Let's check the socks. The socks, not really, not so much. All right, let's see. The one everybody's waiting for. Normally I would hang these up, but for the sake of time. Oh, nope, see, that didn't really do much good either, right there. Now, when I've seen other people do this on videos, the water always comes out all brown and murky, which makes you feel like it worked. But when I did it, the water came out green, which made me feel like it probably just pulled the dye out of the green t-shirt. Now, there are some sources out there that say that laundry stripping is actually really good for white laundry in particular, so I figured I'd give that a try too. So it did seem to work a little bit better with the white laundry, but why is that? Here's my theory. A lot of us will use laundry detergent and bleach when we wash our white laundry. The problem is that bleach doesn't actually dissolve body oil. The chlorine in the bleach reacts with the proteins in the body oil and it just leaves everything yellow. So when you wash your colors in just laundry soap, you're washing out all of that body oil. Whereas when you're bleaching your white laundry, you're not. So maybe when you soak your white laundry using this recipe, you're allowing that body oil to all dissolve and come out into the water. That being said, bleach will actually make things a little bit whiter. So the best way to handle that is to wash your laundry using just laundry soap first, and then wash it again using bleach. Ultimately, I don't think laundry stripping is something you really need to worry about most of the time, unless you've got something that's gotten really grungy, like my shoes. Otherwise, just use your bleach very sparingly and very carefully. And if you want, you can add in a little bit of borax, maybe some baking soda, maybe some vinegar into your regular laundry cycle, just to give you that little extra boost. So if you're washing out all of that body oil, all of that body oil, all of that body oil, allowing the body oil, why can I not say body oil?
Damn it! Can't get this right.
Good Lord. You hear that? My daughter decided to make a smoothie right now. Or maybe it's my husband making me a daiquiri, that'd be nice.